Got a 2020 Toyota Tacoma key fob here, and I'm going to show you how to open it up to replace the battery. So we're going to flip it over, and if you look at the bottom left-hand side of it, there is a little slot perfect for a little flathead screwdriver. We'll put this in here, give it a twist, all right, and it'll crack it open just like that. And then we can just gently pry it open. Now when we pry this guy open, we want to do it with the buttons facing down because the buttons can fall out of the remote. So take the back cover off, let me take this piece out. Okay. Now once we have this piece out, that's when all the buttons get all loose and can fall out. These little buttons here. So I'm going to set that off to the side. And here is where our battery is located. It's in this guy here. Alright, so what we're going to do is, see these little tabs right here? We need to unlock all these tabs all the way around. And to do that, I'm going to flathead screwdriver, put it in here and gently lift up a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of pry it a little bit. I'm going to squeeze this guy to kind of keep it in place, okay? Because I'm trying to separate this clear part from this black part. I'm squeezing, okay? Same thing, I'm going to go all the way around and do this. It might take you a couple times around because it's just the way this thing's shaped. But eventually I'll let you have it. All over. So when you do one, another one might go back and lock, so you're gonna have to kind of go back and forth. All right. Get these bottom ones. So bear with me. This is kind of hard to do with the camera. It's kind of in my way, but there you go. It just popped open. You can open it, and here's the battery. So the flathead screwdriver. There's all kinds of slots here at the bottom that we're gonna use. Just pry it out. We're gonna do it from the bottom. Okay, we don't want to do it from the top because there's a contact here. We don't want to break this contact. Show you what size the battery is. Battery size is a CR 2016, positive sign, facing out towards us, and we're going to put it in with where the contacts are first. So we go in there, we're going to slide it in here. It's going to lock with these little locks right here. Get the back cover, snaps together. Get the key back without losing the buttons. Put it back in here, and then you just snap the cover back on and you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button for me or leave me a comment, and I hope to see you again in another video.